Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use. Police spot a suspect driving recklessly and attempt to pull him over. Instead of stopping, the suspect speeds off, forcing officers into pursuit.
About 110. I think we're behind starting with 13 dollars up.
10-4 speeds at 104. Approaching 42 south.
Hey, back up 13 up to the PBI, back up.
Let me around, sorry. Going out this goddamn.
Yeah, just lower the 73, go down to bring it up, please.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Get out the car! Hands! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Got me covered?
Yeah, cuffs.
Hold on.
Hey, what's wrong with you, man? Could have killed somebody yourself. Yeah.
Hey, y'all, I'm good.
Sure.
Y'all had it?
Yeah. 13 5 15. Go ahead and send a 10-11 for this suspect vehicle.